Water-activated automatic trigger waterproof door. Motivation. In recent years, due to the global greenhouse effect, sudden heavy rains have become more and more common. Heavy rainfall causes the drainage system to have no time to vent, causing floods. If there is no one at home, it will be impossible to respond in time, and the accumulated water will flow into the room, causing damage to goods and property. Therefore, we wanted to invent a water-retaining device that could be used in homes or shops. There is a water level sensor inside the device, which can automatically detect the height of flooding, and automatically raise the waterproof door in time to isolate the water from the outside. When there is no water accumulation, it can be placed directly in front of the door and can be used as a barrier-free ramp. Our purpose: 1. Automatically triggered and started. 2. No one is at home without fear of flooding. 3. Adaptable to various door frames. 4. Normally, can be used as a barrier-free slope. The device's components include host box, infrared float water level sensor, spliceable water retaining slope, waterproof strips, and side pose. This is infrared float water level sensor. When the infrared sensor detects that the float ball's water level has risen, the display will show the water level.
Features: splice design. The width can be increased as needed to meet the width of various doors. The intersection of the two slopes adopts a concave and convex slot design, which can effectively prevent water from infiltrating. The design of the water retaining plate is wide at the bottom and narrow at the top, which can cope with the water pressure of deep water. Float type water level sensor. Use infrared rays to detect the height of the float, and automatically start when the water level rises. Water level height display. You can immediately grasp the flooding situation outside the house without opening the door. In normal times, it can be used as a barrier-free ramp and does not need to be disassembled. When flooded, automatically rises to become a waterproof door. Operation and effects. Step 1. 1. Fix the side posts to both sides of the door. 2. Assemble the left and right side panels. 3. Splice the water retaining slope according to the width of the door. Step 2. 1. Infrared water level sensor automatically detects water level. 2. Normally, the water retaining slope will be lowered to the ground and can be used as a barrier-free slope. 3. No need to remove and store it. Step 3. 1. When heavy rain causes instant water accumulation. 2. The water retaining slope will automatically rise to become a waterproof door to prevent floodwater from entering the house. 3. It can operate even when no one is at home. Step 4. 1. The display will show the flood height outside the house. 2. When flooding exceeds the warning height, the water retaining slope will rise. 3. You can know the flooding situation without going out to check. 4. Display clearly and ensure user safety. Step 5. 1. When the flooding recedes, the water level is lower than the warning height. 2. Press the button and the water retaining slope will lower. 3. The water level sensor automatically enters standby mode and does not require additional settings. Water-activated automatic trigger waterproof door. Thank you for listening.